our yarn soaked in the water for 20 minutes or so, and it's time to bring them out and squeeze out as much water as you can. So here are our pre-washed yarn that they are not bleeding and they don't have any issue with the water or detergent. So the good thing about the tie is that now we can hang them to dry. You just need to make sure you have a bucket or some sort of container that can collect the dripping water. But I will usually dry them even further. So I'll prepare a towel. If your towel is not long enough, a little bit squishy is okay, but you want all parts of the yarn to be inside the towel. And give them some space. It's just like baking cookies. You want some space in between. And if your towel is not enough to do all of them in one go, it's okay. Just get another towel and do a second time. And here is the edge that I will start rolling. So we just roll it in. It's not a necessary step, but it can save some time drying. So just fold it up. I just fold it up like a dough and then just gently roll it. Or you can use your knee or use your feet, just applying some pressure for a few seconds. Doesn't need to be too long. Okay, and we can open it up. If you want them drier, you can get a new plain dry towel and repeat the process until they're dry to the point you're happy, and then the same thing, hang them up to dry. I will suggest you to give them a tiny snap to straighten them because they are a little bit dangly inside the water, so they're straight again. And make sure when you're handling the yarn, you grab the ties, or else you might misarrange the yarn, and then it will be troublesome when you are winding them.